Do you want to give your videos a cool digital distortion look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add body glitch effect in CapCut Mobile using the built-in video effects feature. Let's now get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit and tap Add to import it into the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then choose Video Effects. Browse through the effect categories and you can use the search bar to search for body glitch. Tap the effect to preview it on your video. The effect automatically creates a digital glitch animation around your subject. You can make some adjustments. Click the adjust buttons and you can slide the slider all the way you want. If you're satisfied with the preview, tap the check mark to apply it. Drag either end of the layer to shorten or extend the duration. Play your video before exporting to see the final result and make sure that the glitch effect matches your edit. And there you have it! That's how you add body glitch effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.